Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be doing a compass reading using my Casio Pro Trek PAG240 module 3246 watch. So I get this question a lot on my videos. People want to know how to use the compass. And in this video I'm just going to show you the basics of basically how to see what direction you're heading using the compass on this watch. Now there are some other features that you can do on this watch. For example, you can do some calibrations with your compass, you can save your bearings, stuff like that. In this video, we're just doing the basics. I'm out in the woods, I want to know what direction I'm heading, that kind of thing. No matter what screen you're on, the first thing I should mention before we go into it is you want to have the watch laying horizontally. You don't want to take a compass reading with it vertically. So either lay it flat like that, or if it's on your wrist, you don't want to take the reading while it's facing you. You want to have your wrist laying flat with the horizon. So I hope that makes sense. But once you've got it laying flat, you're going to want to face the 12 o'clock marker, which is where it says Casio here, the direction that you're going, the direction that you're wanting to see where you're heading. So I've got mine laying in that direction. Then all we're going to do is we're going to press and hold our compass button. Now the one thing I'll mention is you're going to see a timeout on me. The instruction manual says that the compass will work for 20 seconds and then it'll stop. You can see with mine doesn't work for 20 seconds. It's more like 10 seconds. But I'll go through and show you. You can always just restart it if you need to. So I'm going to press and hold the compass button. And it takes a second. The direction that I'm facing is east-northeast, and I'm at 75 degrees. Down here at the bottom, it's still going to show your current time, as it does in all the screens. It's always going to show your current time. There's a couple different markers around the edges. You'll notice that this one is thicker than the other two. That's the timeout that I was talking about. To me, that wasn't 20 seconds. We can just press and hold the compass button again. As I was mentioning, you've got these single line markers, but then you've got this one here that has 3 lines that's thicker. That's your north indicator. So that's always going to show you what direction is north, whereas this is going to show you what direction your 12 o'clock is facing. So, because you've got a rotating bezel, what I would recommend is if you're out and you're hiking, you would adjust your rotating bezel to N to match north. So now you can see without the compass being on what direction is north and then what direction you're heading, and again the degrees. And that's pretty much it. It's very basic, not much to it. You don't have to do anything unless it's not working and you need to do a calibration, but I've never had to calibrate mine. Mine always works perfectly fine. When it times out, it leaves you on the compass screen. So you can either take another compass reading by pressing and holding it, or you can simply press the mode button, which is always going to be your back button, and it'll take you back into timekeeping mode. But that's it. Pretty simple. That's a quick way to look at how to take a digital compass reading using your Casio Pro Trek. As always, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.